kittens on camera live. Can't see them really good. But here they are. Here's the 3 little musketeers. The other one died. They're goners. But 3 of them lived. And they'll spend the rest of their life drinking milk and doing stuff. Here is the main star of the jealousy show, Phoebe, the little one, and the cats, the questionable ones. That's what she said. She said something random. And also this is the cage where they go. And here's a hole. I will show you live where the kids are. So, here's Moko. And that's Philo. And that's Cece. And their mom is Daisy. And that's Desi. And that's Phoebe, the stupid one. And we are done live on video. Hope you have a great time. Now it stops recording.